people, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you might have heard that there has been a second taxi man who was taken out, right, not far from where Kino also met his fate just last week, right? But this time it seems as if it's another case of if you can't catch Quaco, you catch him short, right? Because just a couple of days prior to this recent taxi man slaying, this young man, by the way, his name is O'Shane McLennan, right? So just a couple of days before him drop out, there was an incident in the community where somebody lost their life close to Majestic Garden, but that is where this young man is from, right? And the man them sent out the word that anybody them catch from Majestic Garden, them a go deal with. And by deal with, you know what I talk about, right? And apparently, some men on some motorbike were traveling, and then they saw this young man, this taxi man, O'Shane McLennan, right? He wasn't in his vehicle, right? He was parked up, right? But the man them know him, and him know the man them, right? So when he saw them, and when them saw him, and they started to move towards him start run, right? And he was trying to run, apparently, towards the Duane Park police station. And of course, the man them catch up on him because they were on motorbikes, right? And sadly, he's no longer here with us, right? So it seems as if it's a case of, well, the usual 87 case, which we're seeing more and more now, which is if when somebody have a problem and we can't catch the exact same person, we will just catch somebody who come from that community or works in that same field, or I don't know, have the same eye color, have the same hairstyle, who knows, right? Obviously, they're not doing this based on any kind of logic or research, right? So it just shows you how simple somebody can drop out in Jamaica. And apparently, according to his mother, he's not a long-time taxi man, right? Because he used to work at a manufacturing company on Marcus Garvey Drive, right? And over a year ago, he was laid off, and that is when he decided to start run taxi, right? So just 1 year ago, he had a 9 to 5, right? Losing work, decided to go turn taxi man, and here we are today, right? So just like that. And people, let me tell you see that road where Kino and now this taxi man end up in these situations, Washington Boulevard. People, just be careful about Washington. Washington is a serious stretch of road, right? I don't know if anybody who lives in Jamaica or even Kingston and frequent that side knows that Washington Boulevard is one long road, and you see all the little lanes and channels that break off from it. People can come out, do what they do, and disappear again very easily, right? So at the moment, this is the main theory, right? Now, of course, we don't have any solid evidence right now to say that the taxi man was involved in anything. And if you're a foreigner listening to this, then it would sound incredible to you that somebody who just come from somebody who is not directly involved in something could end up like this, because man just say anybody from that community is going to get it. I understand that sounds strange, especially if you're not familiar with Jamaican culture, right? But Jamaican people know this is normal something, where man from one end say, listen, anybody from that place we catch, we're going to deal with them. So people, that's a sad situation, but we're going to hear more and more as time go by, right? So Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.